This video will show you how to assemble the NewTechWood Outdoor Patio Adirondack chair. In your packaging, you'll find all the materials, tools, and hardware to complete your assembly. To begin, take the first three components and place them like this. We're starting with A, the seat, and attaching B and C, the legs. Take 3 S1 bolts and use your hex key tool on all 3 holes. Then, take 3 S2 nuts with your wrench on the bottom side, securely connecting B to A. Then, you'll flip it over and repeat the process, connecting C to A. Next, take component D, the front support rod, and place it between the bottom ends of B and C. Insert a single S4 screw to each side. Secure with your hex key tool to lock part D into place. Now rotate the chair 90 degrees and grab the armrests, parts E and F. Insert an S1 bolt and an S2 nut into each side and lock them with your wrench and hex key. Next, get the backrest component, G, and secure it to the armrests E and F with your hex key, using a single S3 screw on each side. Secure the bottom of the backrest the same way, but this time, use an S4 screw on each side. Last, grab component H, the rear support rod, and secure it to the bottom with your hex key tool, using an S4 screw on each side. And that's it! Enjoy your NewTechWood Adirondack patio chair. Thanks for watching.